In Nairobi, the courts played host to a high-profile yet secret case filed by President Uhuru Kenyatta's ICC lawyer Stephen K. The case against mobile phone companies Safaricom and Airtel have sparked off a heated debate after the media was kicked out of the proceedings. But as KTN's Asha Mwelu reports, the lawyer insists the confidentiality is meant to protect the identity of witnesses in the ICC cases.
It began like any ordinary case. President Uhuru Kenyatta's lawyer Stephen K. against service providers Safaricom and Airtel. Before the case could commence, however, High Court Judge Isaac Linaola ordered the media and the public to leave the court proceedings for the case to be held in camera. This case, said to touch on the ongoing criminal proceedings against President Kenyatta at the International Criminal Court, sparked uproar over the confidentiality of the proceedings. The International Center for Policy and Conflict said in a statement that the secret petition was unacceptable. ICPC further cited that the preliminary proceedings ought to have been conducted in public before the judge decided to bar the media and the public. The judiciary, however, issued a clarification stating that details of the case will be made public only if it does not affect the ICC trials. Nairobi-based advocate Kennedy Ogeto also issued a statement on behalf of Stephen K. explaining why the proceedings had to be held in camera. In the statement, Ogeto clarified that the proceedings were permitted to be filed in confidentiality in order to protect the identity of witnesses and victims in the case against President Kenyatta at the ICC. President Kenyatta's defense team is seeking unspecified information from Safaricom and Airtel. As these proceedings against the two service providers continue here in Kenya, at The Hague, Trial Chamber 5 has instructed Uhuru's defense team to make a submission before end of August on their preferred venue for his trial, set to commence in November. Uhuru's legal team will therefore have to decide if they wish to have the opening of his trial held either in Kenya or the neighboring Tanzania. Asha Mwelu, KTN, Nairobi.
And following the sharp reaction by the International Center for Policy and Conflict, State House has sent a statement to newsrooms in which President Uhuru Kenyatta says, contrary to the International Center for Policy and Conflict's claims that the secret petition is unacceptable, the President and Deputy President have a right to use all available legal avenues to prepare their defense adequately before commencement of the ICC hearings. They also stated that the petition filed at the High Court by the President's lawyers was in preparation for the trials, and the judge who had the proceedings was within the law. Smart, over to you.